This is just happening now, right here. A terrorist entered my church, Archangel Raphael Catholic Church, Garki, Abuja, police barracks. He dressed up with turban, his face, wore face cap, police face cap, and dark shade. And they started asking him, stop, 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 stop. He now drove where the men were having meeting. We started shouting, please, you should come out and stop him. They now stopped him. He now said that he is here to see somebody. So they always have a pointer in the church that he wants to see the guy. And the guy now came. They now invited the guy. The guy now said he's not his friend though. That he doesn't even know him from anywhere. After much interrogation, he now said he's from Abia. Where in Abia he cannot say. He now said that he's part of his relation that are from Ethiopia. So what are you doing just like this? He now started saying that he's going to call the IG. And I said, okay. Meanwhile, in this police barracks, we have those working with IG. We have the PPPRO of FCT here. I'm videoing his car. They saw some things from in his car, drugs and everything. So we're just being careful now. And it's like Catholic Church is their target. Please, I beg all Catholics, I'm videoing this. It's happening on the 3rd of July 2022 in Archangel Raphael, Garki. Please, this is for us. Please tighten your security. Please, I beg we Catholics. Let us don't take anything for granted. Now the guy is in a police station in Garki here.